Hi, my name is Noor Badshah and my ID number is 1411588. I've created nmit campus network. So here's my external client network, and this is a all nmit network, and here's my DMZ zone provided by the nmit for the external user. So first of all, I have configured this router, and this connected with switch, and here's a server and two PCs for the external client. I have configured this server for the email. So the, here's the IPs. Here's the static IPs for this server, and I have configured the subnet mask and the DNS servers. And after that, here's the services. So I configured the DHCP services, and here's my DHCP server, and I changed the maximum number of the user to 20, and just put on add. It's already add, so that's how I created. And here is my DNS server. So I created my two servers, like this one pieces and this other one. So the first one name is Cisco 1, so its IP address is 172.168.3.4, and the other one is 172.168.3.5. That's the other address. So after that, I configure the email. So the first one I configured is I give the domain name, that's a gmail.com, and here's the user. I give the simple password 123, and I click on plus to add it. And here's my second one. This is the second name and password 123, and I click on add, and I have turned on the services from here. And after that, I can click on this PC, and I can go to the email, and here I can compose the email. So the other one address is noor2@gmail.com, and I give the subject this, for example, hi. I give the message hello, and I gonna send it. So it shows sending mail to noor2@gmail.com with subject hi, and there's a mail server IP address, send successful. Here I can check that whether I receive the mail or not. So click on the email and click on the receive. Here I got receiving mail. This mail successful, and I can reply to this mail. All good, thanks. Click on send. So let's see, check the other mail browser. So did I receive or not? So here I got the reply as well. So this is a reply from the other browser. And next one, it's an internet. So this external client is attached to the nmit internal network. So what I did, I add this router. I configured this router as a firewall to block the traffic from this external clients. So what I did, I configured this router. I can show you the configuration. This enable, show, run. So here it can shows me this interface serial number 10/0/1. So the IP address, here I get the IP address, and IP access group nmit in. So it means so that it can allow all the network, all the access to the internal network of nmit except this external client. This I put the IP access list standard nmit. There's a deny 172.168.3.0. so this external client that I denied the access. So I'm using this ACL as a firewall. So let's check that is it working. So I can click here, and first of all I make it the new session. So I'm gonna send mail from here to the server. This mail is going through the switch, and after that going to the router one, is passing through internet, accessing to the internal network of nmit. So here I fixed a firewall so it can block all the traffic from this external user. Here you can check, it's blocked this traffic and send it back to the external client. So now check that the nmit, they have configured the DMZ zone for the external user, so they can access, the external client can access the DMZ zone. So let's check the DMZ zone. So I send mail from here to the DMZ zone. So it's again passing through the router 1, and it's passing through the cloud. It's passing through the nmit switch, and now it's passing through the DMZ zone. Now they successfully receive to the DMZ zone. And the configuration of firewalls, so I configured this firewall for the internal network of nmit, because the external client from the external network, when they try to access the resources of nmit, he will be able to access the resources that are placed in the DMZ zone, and cannot access the resources of the internal network, because the ACL is configured on the router 2. His router 2 is prohibiting the external client to access the internal network. Hence, the internal client can only access the resources from the external client placed in the DMZ zone. So this is a DMZ zone they created by the nmit for all the external users to access whatever they want to access from the DMZ zone. So this was my network for the external for the nmit campus. And here we can check, I have configured this server as an email server as well, and here's my FTP server. We can try that one as well. So I have configured this one. I click on write, read, delete, rename all the list, and I have added that one. So it's already configured. So I click on this PC, I go to command prompt, FTP, and the 172.168.3.2. So here I click on this PC to the command prompt. So here I start FTP, the IP address 172.168.3.2. Click on here, it's asking for username, that's a Noor, and asking for password 123, and this is a logged in, successfully logged in, passive mode on. So wait to exit the configuration. So it shows my FTP, and so this was my nmit network. Thanks very much for watching.